Hey there, Dotson guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a new listing of mine. This is a Scout 380 LXF, and she's a 2020 model. She's equipped with Mercury 350 Verados in the triple and matching white. We have the walk-through transom we love from Scout, and as well as a starboard entry door. Aft pull-out transom seat that tucks away for an easy cockpit to fish out of. On the transom here we have a very robust live well or insulated cooler box. Aft transom seat with sunshade and retractable rocket launchers, and as well as the convertible grill leaning post option. Over on the port side, we do have the beach platform. Lift that up, hold the button, the whole platform goes out of the side there. Great function for fishing as well as for cruising and lounging. We have fish boxes both port and starboard, and as well as systems access just underneath here, and as well as Seakeeper access just underneath this hatch. Moving forward, we're going to show you this big helm. We've got triple 16-inch Garmins, as well as digital display for our Mercury vessel view. Joystick steering from Mercury with autopilot and skyhook. Edson steering wheel, digital throttle and shift. AC and heat vents at the helm. We have independent heated seats here at our triple helm. It is a center helm configuration as well. Glove box storage, Seakeeper display up top, and as well as redundancy switching because we have our digital switching actually on this boat. So VHF up as well. We have a hardtop access integrated ladder with a sliding sunroof. This boat is equipped with the upgraded stereo system, so that is from Scout Boats. Aftermarket, he did install the weather curtains. So those go off the hardtop install. We've got them down for you guys today. On the side of the leaning post, we have a ice maker and as well as a refrigerator on the starboard side. Down in the cabin, come on down. We've got lounge seat that converts to a berth, 32-inch TV as well as speakers down below, vented port windows with blinds integrated. Over in the back, we have our separate head and shower with vacuum flush. Dinette with refrigerator, cooktop, microwave, and sink down below. We'll move up to the bow. We absolutely love our Scouts for our big lounge seats that are integrated in the bow here. So big, two robust lounge seats. I'm 6 foot for reference. You can see it's not a hop and a skip. You feel like you're down in the boat. It's sitting very comfortably with armrests both port and starboard, and then glove box and cup holders integrated there. On the starboard, we have our Fusion stereo head remote, as well as USB charging ports. And on the port side, we have our table control, as well as USB charging ports. So this is the high-low bow table that's electrically actuated. Goes down to a filler option, which you saw that cushion down in the console. And then as well, all the way to the floor to get out of the way. But while it's up, it's a great seating area while we're underway or just chilling and relaxing. We also have designated storage underneath there that we can access when that table is up. On port and starboard, you'll see 3 big storage boxes. So 2 matching and then 1 in the center in the front there. She is equipped with windlass standard as well as a standard bow eye camera that's patented by Scout Boats. Independent controls, rod holders across the bow, obviously across the back as well. She is equipped with the windshield washer option. And then coming down this starboard side, we have a convenient access and closet for our gaff lines and wash brushes. Take note of how tall this boat is, right? It's a big, robust bow. Scout does a great job of getting that big Carolina flare going. Gas on the starboard side here, independent fender clips, and then diesel for our generator as well. If you guys have any questions about this beautiful boat or you want to come see her in person, feel free to call me at 843-747-1889. And again, this is Dotson Geis with MarineMax Charleston.